Hi, first grade. We are still learning about clocks. Today is Tuesday, April 28th. Last week, we learned about clocks and learned about time to the hour and time to the half hour. This week, we're going to be continuing to learn about time to the nearest 5 minutes. So let's look at my clock here. Yesterday on Monday, you should have been practicing the quarter hour or every fourth hour. So o'clock, let's put it back at o'clock. And then I'm going to move my minute hand. So we've got 12 o'clock, 12:15, 12:30, 12:45, and 1 o'clock. Remember, when my hour hand is in between 2 hours, I always go with the smaller number. So if my hour hand is in between these two, the 1 and the 2, which hour would it be? That's right, the first hour. And then my minute hand is down here on the 6. So how many minutes into the first hour are we? Yeah, 1:30. And you can see that right here. So we're 1:30. For your next worksheet practice, you guys are going to be doing time to the nearest 5 minutes. So it's getting a little bit harder. And I want you to watch. The same rules are happening that happened before. So we're at 1:30. Each notch is 1 minute. So if my minute hand is over here, I can count by 5s starting here at the 1 until I get to where the minute hand is. So let's count together by 5s. First, I'm going to count by 5s, then we're going to count by 5s together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, or o'clock. Now it's your turn. I want you to count out loud by 5s as I move the minute hand around. Okay, here we go. Good. You should be at 30. 60, good, or o'clock. As long as you remember that, and you remember the rule that the hour hand, the short one, is, and then your minutes, you're going to do fine on this worksheet. So let's do one more practice right here. If my hour hand is in between the 3 and the 4, which hour is it at? Yep, the third hour, and I can count by 5s to find out where my minute hand is. 5, 10, 15, 20. And then I can see up here that it is 3:20. Happy worksheet doing!